unnecessarily adds coloration to the filter, and it makes us look different ways, different angles. It makes us look in a different way. So when that filter is being thrown away, what you see is what you are at this moment. So which is again a liberating thought.
One more thing is, you said it, their future or the perception of yours. But according to me, or what I think is, through this discussion or this movie, this is not the future or this is not the perception. This is what the real is happening, or this is the real thing which is going on.
Sure.
Among the three parts, we have found this most flowing and sharing that these are in pieces, and what I see, I felt that most
The effect of the first two. The effect of the first two.
I wanted to share with you.
And yeah, because it was completed 5 minutes before.
Real time.
One thing we've learned from that is don't do too much in advance. Wait till the audience has started filing time and then start finishing the film. Just take time. Actually, there are 3 fascinating things about this trilogy. One was that this whole idea that you can do things out of your volition. I mean, I have been doing stuff around this kind of work for the last several years, maybe 10, 12 years. And it was always, of course, I started with the standard conventional approach where I told people to do stuff. And you get to the point where this film was actually completely made by students on their own volition. So first of all, just the idea that when things begin to connect, then actually people begin to do things by themselves. So the spontaneous action is actually, when connections happen, spontaneous action results. And here's an example of it. You didn't need to, I didn't even think about a film like this. It was completely conceived and delivered by them. The second thing about this film is that none of this needed to be, you have to start from scratch. It was all ready-made stuff. So actually, just out of stuff that's available, you can make something very useful. We have this amazing organization called Shikshantar, and they have this stuff that they call Kabad se Jugaad. Stuff you put together stuff from the garbage can and make it really useful. It's actually, we've created a world where as long as you change the context, almost anything can be made to look like anything else. So I mean, none of this was probably meant to be an end of a course. I mean, if everybody was talking about their work and you put it together in a certain context and suddenly you've got a product. So I mean, that's really how nature of products are going to evolve. That you actually put a context. You don't really start with a product. You first create a context and then you put in stuff that fills up the context. So the content is actually subservient to the context. So almost any content can be made to look useful if the content is clear, if the context is clear. So this is again first time in history that actually content is subservient to context. I mean, at a metaphorical level it was always so. But actually now, you can put in stuff and Bhel Puri ban jata hai. You put together and call it Bhel Puri, it becomes Bhel Puri. And the third fascinating thing about this film is that this is exactly how everything is happening. That somebody of his own volition does something, puts together something or the other. Some people who are not at all connected with anyone will get together and now will spread this word about this thing in a completely organic way, none of which anyone has any control over. What Kiran said, can I have a film like this? He will show it to somebody else. God knows what will happen out of that. So I mean, this is exactly how pollination happens in nature. You have no clue where the bee will come from, which flower it will sit, out of that, where the honey will go, where the fruit will be created. I mean, you have no control. It's fascinating. But this is really, it just epitomizes really all of what we've been talking about. You don't need to give this amazing example which you have to create from your mind. Anybody does anything in this world, it's an example for how this world works. And so, I really found this fascinating that we have something like that ending with, because actually then you don't need to say anything more. This is how it is, that's it. So that's amazing. And I want to hear that for ourselves. Just trying to say that the thing they just finished it making right now. So similar kind of thing happened with that one presentation that Sony gave about that flipper and all that. But actually, around 11 o'clock that same day, I told 20%, not even 10% of that to Sony that let's make something about it. And by the time presentation was done, like we put in only pictures together, it was 40% of what came out when we were presenting. And most of it, like the rest 60% evolved while we were presenting it.
Half the things that we said, I was getting it to I did not hear your talk so much.
Well, I can share with you that the surrogates presentation was similar. I decided only in the morning that I do the presentation. And everything just fell into place. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Because there is no way to do this before.
Yeah.
You know, people say that, you know, what are you going to do in this course? And I'm like, yeah, I have no clue. It depends. It's hyperlink. You know, I don't know how the class evolves, then we'll take that direction. I know generally what we would like to do. But if I force, what is going to happen? It will mess up everything. So my syllabus is here, syllabus is the world. So now we don't know which of these people will click on. So I mean, it's absolutely like that. I go into class thinking we'll talk about something, and the class goes somewhere else. And that's perfectly okay.
The part about that is that the rest 12 subjects that they have at the same course that have been going on for the next 10 years, for the past 10 years. So it's like living in two different extremes.
The funny thing again about this is that this course, I mean the course that I have been associated with, has always had this ill review that there were 12 other courses which said exactly the opposite of what I was saying. But it was a fight at some point where, you know, students would come back and say, you know, we are getting confused. And now we've reached a stage where actually, even though there are 12 other courses, there is no confusion. You know, we've reached that critical mass at which actually they are okay, they are fine, you know, they realize that okay, this is something that's passing, this is something that's going to happen, and you know, they can reconcile that and it'll be perfectly okay. It's amazing. So I was
Change and no change.
yeah, at this point. So I never thought that I would reach this stage. You know, I was just telling with somebody in 1999 when we said some of the things that we said. Actually, we looked so creepy at that time. That at this point, if somebody would have said 10 years later, you have a class like this, it would have been like, you know, nightmare. I mean, we couldn't have believed that this would ever happen. So, in some ways, you know, it's just the world evolving into this. So it's amazing.
So it is terrifying is we have to go back to those courses,
Yeah, that's okay.
For me, internet is reinventing all the previous inventions, in the sense that it is empowering an individual. I can see I was browsing yesterday and I saw that Wikipedia has come up with something called Wikia, where you can create your own page. Of course, people had done this, but since Wikipedia is so huge, you can create your own page of your own specialization. Say I tell world that I am specializing, I know how to make this table, say. So I make a page out of it. And all those people who visit Wikipedia will know that I am a person who knows this. And people will question me and I'll give them direct answers. So people who specialize, even a small thing like this, are getting empowered like this, and they know they are getting all over the world. They know this stuff.
Long day.
Yeah. So one more thing was through this whole course and making these movies was that I realized that how powerful an internet was. And we can say that we kind of were born with it. There was a thing that there was internet, and it always said that I am potential, but I have a lot of potential, but we did not use it. But we used it for just browsing and this. Even when I made my own website, I didn't realize that I am making something huge. Now I realize that okay, this is awesome what I did, and I can do so many things with it. And seriously, I really like to thank sir for it, that making realize us what the potential is, and we can explore it to anything, and it is up to our imagination.
Yeah, I remember the last class we had. The feeling was you're kind of liberated. You know, you don't. I mean, we just born. I mean, I've shared a lot of this experience with sir. Like we've been born with a lot of conceived notions, but at that moment when you see the whole picture, you feel like, oh wow, I'm liberated. I can do anything.
For me, I was born in December 2009 and I was evolved through this January 2010. I mean, this whole journey completed what I had learned earlier and how things were relevant. The context, connections got clear, and I know to some extent what the future will be. It will be uncertain. It made me realize that.
We are 3 months in front of
Also, there's one thing that you always study that this is a cause and effect, and to find the solution for that problem which is cause and effect, you look for books, solutions, and one way that your products learn is the biggest way is through nature, and that is always there. That you don't need any ebook or a hard book or something. You just look into nature. Something else, example, you put it up a tree, and so many other things that we have discussed. That is, I think, one of the very good things that we have learned actually how to learn.
Yeah.
Not just to absorb in this.
One thing that we feel in our semester is very much. So one thing that we feel while giving every semester is each and every subject tests only one thing, that is your memory, nothing else. How much you know of that subject is never tested. So I mean, and this is, your course is the only course where the memory was not tested, but how much we had learned and how much we have understood, and that was the only thing that was tested. So I mean, that way,
it wasn't my fault.
Just at least now, hopefully we just had one subject out of 30 which are like that. So hopefully, at least in the coming batches, the number of subjects which are in a way, which we can really interact, hopefully that should increase. And let's hope. I'm optimistic.
And we need
You do
to.
not need any of this coursework now.
Yeah.
You don't need any of this now. Finally, this is also a course. Why need a course like this? All of this, I mean, somebody like Avinash has explored the ends of this course anyway from the beginning before the course started. So, I mean, he doesn't need it. None of you guys need this course here. So, it's more my need, to be with you guys than your need to be in this course.
Probably our parents need music.
Yeah,
I'll have tough time
They don't
understanding.
really care about the course. They want to be in the institute.
I'll have really, like Vijit said, the teacher, I have really tough time making my parents understand that, okay, the rest thing is irrelevant. This is more what I want to do.
Your course always gives you new direction to our thinking. Like even presentation of our resources. Before that, I only think that renewable resources are good. But in that presentation, I realized that no, that are also not good. It means we are depleting them also. So always it creates new impact on them.
This is that the first about the history, the first part of this, because I was not there for the second part, and the third part. That of course, partly because people may not have got noticed. This is a small crowd. I don't know how many people were there yesterday or for the screening. But my sense is that it will make sense to have a couple of more screenings. The power of it. And I think what's very powerful is not only the screening of the course, but dialogue that happens.
So these heroes are not going to be around seriously, I mean, the sad part is that this isn't a film that you just need to show. You need to sit and share a cup of coffee and discuss and chat around it. So how do you create a little forum that can do that? Because these guys will disappear. Actually, that's why I was keen that they go away. They have an exam going on. I mean, you can't believe these are people whose exams are right now on, and they've taken time off not only to create the film but to then show up as audience.